The International Marketing Group, a global financial education enterprise, strategically partnered with the world's leading providers of financial products and services. Introduces its top benefits, offered exclusively to its growing list of members. Free unlimited financial education seminars, workshops, and exclusive financial books. Free financial checkup to diagnose your financial health. Exclusive access to the best long-term, short-term, and senior care services from the country's leading healthcare provider. Exclusive access to Fidelity Life, a mutual benefit association exclusive for members, with 50,000 life insurance coverage and 24/7 Memorial Concierge free investment seminars. Invest in mutual funds at zero entry fees. Save money while getting the best protection for your property and other assets from the best providers at the least possible price. Enjoy exclusive discounts and best payment terms from the country's leading property developers. Convenience and peace of mind for your funeral needs with the country's first 24/7 Memorial Concierge services, free for all members and their immediate families. Establish your own corporation to protect your assets. Combine huge savings and personalized assistance to enjoy a hassle-free car purchase experience with our exclusive IMG Auto program. Exclusive member care with Vision Care. Get free IMG and KAISER frames and free computerized eye exams. Exclusive discounted rates for ozone therapy. The latest and safest technology to defeat pain and defy the aging process. Become debt-free. Enjoy your own time. Get the income you want from your own business in the elite financial industry. Discover the world's wonders on your vacations, cruises, and conventions through the IMG Business Rewards Program. Qualify for the exclusive and world-class IMG Recognition Awards. Free HMO coverage for senior marketing directors. IMG, exclusive to members.